Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Parshvika. Welcome to Globo Arte Mixing Page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're gonna be talking about, in fact, I'm gonna be showing you how to actually find the different kinds of products that are selling on these print-on-demand websites. So I'm gonna be showing you the 3 ways to find out what kind of products are selling on these websites and how you as a print-on-demand seller, as an artist or as a designer can utilize these methods and can make more such products to actually make more money. So let's dive in. Before we go to part, consider clicking the like button guys, really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos and when we do so you'll be get notified about it. Also we have the bunch of the free resources, the link on description box below to help you make more money, or simply head over to globocreative.com, check out the freebie section. It contains all the freebies which you want and also it contains a full commercial license, so very well go buy it. Now let's dive in with my laptop and I'm going to be showing you the 3 ways. Now there are so many ways in which you can actually find out what kind of products are selling, what are the niches you want to target, but I'm going to be today showing you the 3 different methods in which you can find out. So let's dive in and hop into my laptop and the process begins. Currently we are on the laptop. Now I'm going to be showing you the 3 ways to actually find what kind of products to sell and also the niches. So whatever platform you want to take, here I'm taking an example of Redbubble. You can very well take an example of Jazzle, Society6, Teepublic, or even with the Amazon or whatever platform, print-on-demand platform you want to go and do the research, it applies to that platform the same as well. But here I'm going to be talking about the Redbubble. I'm taking an example of Redbubble. You can do whatever you want to. Now whenever you're going to land on any print-on-demand website, on the very first page itself you're going to see the most popular or the best-selling products on that particular website. So here is an example. Let me hear. So on the Redbubble, you can very well see the different kinds of products that are popping up on the first page. You can see the different kinds of the art prints over here, the posters over here, the t-shirts and all. Now let me just scroll down and you're gonna see a bunch of the product range over here. The throw pillow, this kind of design, the water bottle, the t-shirt. Then let me just scroll down more, the posters, the wall art, the clothing. Then scroll down more, the phone cases, the home living. So you can get an idea what kind of products are selling well, because obviously all these websites are designed in a way that they are showing you the results that are most popular or most selling on their website. They have been designed in a way because they're going to show you their best selling products, so it would be more likely for other customers to convert as well. So even if you go on a Jazzle or a Society6, on the very first page, homepage of that website itself, you're going to see what kind of products are selling well, what are the niches that have been selling well. It could be the animal, it could be the vintage, calligraphy, or different kinds of holidays. If it's a holiday season, then it would be a holiday, or it would be a seasonal products. Whatever it is, they're going to pop up those best-selling products or best-selling niches on the very first page itself. So these websites are designed in such a beautiful manner in which you can very well figure it out what's selling on this platform and how you can actually make on the money. So you can see over here the throw pillow selling well, the water bottle, the t-shirts, the different kinds of products, the posters, the wall art, the clothing, the phone cases, home and living, the mask, stationery, accessories and gifts. And you can get the idea, like if I'm looking for this stationery, I can see this kind of niches is popular, so that's why they have picked up this mock-up to place on the very first page of their website. These websites will only going to show you the top mock-ups on the very first page which are selling amazingly well, so you get an idea what's selling well. Now the featured products, now this section of the featured products very well declare you or very well show you what exactly is selling on these website. Or this is the example of the Redbubble guys. You can very well do it with any other platform, any other website out there. So I can see this kind of wall art is selling amazingly well. The woman on citrus bike, it's gonna be okay. So this is a simple text-based design on a zipper pouch. Then this is again a notebook. Then the laptop case. Then I think this is the scarf. So you can see these are the products that are selling well. The iPhone cases, the notebooks, even the wall art, the t-shirts, the tumblers, and all those kind of products. Now you can also explore the designs picked up for you. That means these are the top selling products on their website, top selling niches and designs which you can hop up, and then you can look over to the featured artist and you can see what is unique about these artists, that they are on the featured on the very first page itself. You're gonna see some kind of pattern in their design, maybe related to some kind of particularly to the specially artist style type of work, because these kind of work sell well. Now you can look over here, this is the artists that are selling and featured because of their style. You can see how they have made the bare face within picturizing the landscape. So that is the unique thing about it. Then more thing you can see over here, the shop fan art made by artists who love it too. So you can see these kind of things are popular. That's a Ricky and Morton, Steven Universe, Adventure Time, The Last Unicorn, The Borderlands. You can very well hop up over here. The same thing, everybody. So you get an idea, guys. What I really want to talk over here is that on the very first page itself of whatever platform you want to sell on or to look for what is selling, you can see and you can actually observe the very first page, and you're going to see that this kind of product is selling, and this is the niches. I can see from the very well on the first page that the animal niches are quite popular. You can see the clothing, the animal niche is popular. Here is also the animal niche. So, and here is the space niche. These are the space niches, the floral patterns. So this kind of niches are quite popular. This one is over here, the avocado. So you can see the tote bag is there. It's been featured over here. The iPhone cases, the mugs, the stickers, even the socks and all those. So this is the first method in which you can figure out what's selling on the platform by actually observing the first page of that particular platform, observing their products, the featured artists, the featured niches, whatever it is they have on the very first page itself. Just observe it very neatly and then figure it out. Okay, this kind of product is selling, this kind of niche, I can target it and go forward. The second thing I'm going to be talking about, that is the Uber Suggest. This is the amazing software tool, the Uber Suggest. I really love this platform because this software give you a lot of the keywords, a lot of the domain niches, the competitors. You can do much more things with the Uber Suggest. I think for the 24 hours, like in one day, you are getting the free three searches, and if you wanna get more searches, then obviously you need to go with the paid version, but I think free version is worth it if you're just starting out. So what I can do over here, enter a keyword or a domain. So I'm going to be typing over here the Redbubble. Okay, I'm going to be typing over here the Redbubble and just click over to search. You can very well select the different country. Right now I've selected the United States. You can select Australia, European countries, or any countries for which you want to find out that what is. Have 3 free daily searches available. For every day I'm going to be getting 3 free searches, and if I want more, then obviously I need to go with the paid version, which has a 7-day free trial. I'm going to leave the link of this tool in the description box below. You can check it out. Now I have typed the keyword the Redbubble, guys. You can see the search volume is 8. That's your difficulty, the paid difficulty, cost per click, but we don't want to go into that much detail. I'm just going to be scrolling down and show you what exactly I really mean by. Now this is the thing that we want to focus over here. Now you can see the keyword that are popular related to the Redbubble are the Redbubble stickers, the coupons, the review, legit, free shipping, posters. So these two kind of products are quite popular, stickers and the posters. You can just scroll down and you can see what kind of pages are having the backlinks. So these are the backlinks that this particular platform has, but I think we don't need to go into that. It's applicable if you are having writing any blog article or making any online content, then this content ideas would be very well worth it. Now I'm going to be going over to the view all keyword ideas because we need to see what are the keywords that are ranking for this particular term, that's the Redbubble. By that we will be able to know what are the products that are selling well and what are people actually looking on a Google. So the Redbubble stickers are popular. Okay, then this is the reviews and stuff, which is not important. Then the posters, people are also looking for posters, the phone cases, the t-shirts. So these are the products are selling well for which people are Googling it. Then the aesthetic stickers, so this is the kind of like a niche you can call it. Then the Redbubble logo, okay fine. Redbubble shirts, jackets. You can scroll down more. Then the comparison, contact text generators, stickers, Redbubble partner program. So you get the idea, guys. There are so many keywords people are looking for related to the Redbubble, the laptop stickers. So the stickers, posters, iPhone cases, t-shirts, these kind of products are having the more search volume on the first page. Then you can actually go to the second page itself and can look for the keywords for which people are looking for. Now this is the rough idea by which you can get that these on this particular platform the people are searching the keywords related to that people are looking for stickers, the posters, the iPhone cases, the t-shirts, the jackets as well. Now you can see the stickers, the waterproof, just scroll down more, the fan art, Redbubble hats, Redbubble fan art. You get the idea, guys. And you can very well go and see more of this stuff. The wall art is also selling well. Redbubble wallpapers, then the Redbubble notebooks. So these are people looking for the Redbubble backpack. You can even go to the third page and you can do the detailed research. I have just searched for the country location, the United States. You can do very well for individual country to look for what if each individual country, what people are looking for related to the Redbubble. Then I can very well say the keychains, Redbubble keychains. Can Redbubble stickers go on cars? So these are the people are looking for. The laptop skins, then also looking for the markup, the Redbubble generals, zigzag puzzles, and all those guys. Enamel pins are also popular. You can go over to the page 4 5 and go much into the detail depth and look out for this particular thing, and you can very well check out for any platform out there. This is just the idea of the Redbubble. You can go and look out for the Jazzle, Society 6, and so on and so forth. Let's move on to the third part of the video, that is the third website. Now the third website here is Etsy. Etsy is amazing website and it's a great way to do your research because there are so many people, millions of visitors Etsy coming on their platform. So I've just tapped over to here the t-shirts. You can very well type over the stickers, the posters, the notebooks, or the enamel pins, the buttons, magnets, whatever it is. Just scroll down, then you're gonna see the different kinds of t-shirts are popping up. Now you get the idea what kind of t-shirts are selling amazingly well onto the Etsy. Now believe there is good in the world. So this is a text-based design which is selling amazingly well. The B kind is a simple text-based design. The simple graphic is there. It's a t-shirt. This is a little bit more complicated because of the graphic, but you can see the custom text-based designs, the floral design, the text-based design. So text-based designs are more popular on the very first page itself. I can see very well. This is another text-based design. This is another. This is a custom text, so people can order the custom text if you are selling on the Etsy. Best aunt ever. So this is the very first page itself over here. You can see, guys, there are so many different things that are popping up. The vaccinated due to the coronavirus. This is a trending topic. You can very well go. This is the floral design, the pine tree. The text-based designs are more common, and even the custom-based design, like people can put their own text, their own photographs, so kind of like a template where people can place it. This is the beauty of the Zazzle if you're doing the research for the Zazzle over here. This is the floral design. You can go forward and can look for more pages, scroll down and do your research. You can even type a particular keyword. I've typed the t-shirts. You can do it whatever you want to type, and then just scroll down to the further more pages, and you can actually do the research and find out what is selling well, and then you can simply use these niches and can sell them on the different entertainment platform, the Redbubble, Teepublic, Society 6, because these are popular on the Etsy, so they would be popular on the platform as well, because people will also going to search for the similar topics on other websites as well. So you can use these niches and can target over there as well. So this is the thing, guys. You can very well go and do forward. You can even go with different kinds of stickers. If I just go over here and write the stickers, if you want to target the stickers, because stickers are amazingly selling well products. So you can see what kind of stickers are
popular over here. So I can see this is the animal, cute animal. Then this is the emotional support water bottle, the text-based design. Then the bee kind. Then these are the different kinds of stickers that are very popular. Go back to school, kind of like a teacher name stickers design. The animal niches. So you get the idea, guys, what I really mean to talk over here. Sweet, thank you. That you can see the different kinds of floral, the animal faces. I saw that the Jesus stickers and the red stickers, the custom easy sticker, the creative easy stickers. So these are the different kinds of stickers ideas which you can pop up. You can type any keyword and can look for anything you want on which you can find out what are the products, what are the niches you can target on that particular platform, and you can get the idea, the Etsy, checking out that website and the Uber suggest. Okay, I'm gonna leave the link of the Uber suggest in description box below. You can very well check it out.
That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you find it useful and enjoyable. Do let me know in the comment section below if you have anything you want to talk about, products finding and anything related to print on demand. I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.